I started business when I'm very young because I didn't have opportunity to go to university.
When you were 18 years?
Yes, when I'm 18
Wow, what
years.
kind of business? Was this papers?
The senior brother of Coach Cherish trained me on motorcycle spare parts. And after I learned the motorcycle spare parts, my brother bring money from his own shop and established the business for me. I learned from Copper and Sumadaka for 7 months. When I developed motorcycle assembling, I make the price of motorcycle to be very cheap. We have developed motor that motor will be very cheap. I make this motor to be more suitable for Africa. Yes, Africa, not only Nigeria. I didn't waste my youth for one day. And I make sure that anybody I'm dealing with, I'll be very straightforward and say the truth.